Hey, what's up everyone? This is a follow-up video that I've actually got a lot of requests for me to do, and this is in my home theater series. And what this is about is there's a subwoofer that I bought that I did another video on. I'll try to link it to that. But that video I didn't give any sound demos to it or sound checks, and just did that for a couple reasons. One, I don't like to run music that I don't own on my videos, and then doing a sound check as a review as part of a YouTube video it doesn't mean anything, because it's the sounds coming through my camera, then to my computer, then to your computer, and then through your browser. So it's not what you're hearing when you watch this video is really nothing like there's a lot of variables in the middle of it, of that chain to basically imply that, or not imply, but it's just not a valid test. That's all I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna do it anyways, and keep in mind that there's a lot of variables that indicate that what you're hearing is not the quality that's coming out of this. But I'll do it anyways. You can visually see it. I have this little water glass in front of it here, but I have been playing around and I don't expect anything to happen, even though I have other things going on in my house with this. So this again is the Epik Empire Subwoofer. It's a huge dual firing 17-inch subwoofer for home theater or music. I use it probably mainly for music, but home theater sounds pretty awesome as well. I have noticed in the last week, I wouldn't say I've heavily used it, but average use, watching TV, listening to music here and there, that it seems to have come more alive. I thought I was through the break-in period, but all of a sudden it just started booming more, and I didn't change anything. So anyways, I'm just gonna play a sample bit of music that is intentionally bass heavy and try to let you see the speaker move and try to describe what's going on. I don't expect the water to really move up front, but we'll see. Okay, here we go. Okay, so you can see you're only seeing one speaker move because the other one's pointing towards the wall. Yeah, this is Underworld River of Bass, and the bass is ultra deep on this little tune here. See the water move a little bit. Look at that thing. It's easily below 40 hertz. So what I'm hearing is just ultra deep bass. I have a wood cabinet about 15 to 17 feet away that is just rattling, so I have a little bit of thing going on there. It's the bass, the pressure of it is moving my wood cabinet, which I have to fix somehow. I can feel the whole floor move. Focusing a little too close. Anyway, so that's the video. it's point is there's just a lot of bass being produced. Pretty happy with it so far, other than the things I was complaining about in my other video, and that's mainly with the size and the weight. It's just this gigantic box in my living room. I don't know what I was thinking, but that's what it is. Thanks, folks.